Oh, and got it. That's why this guy is so good. Mohammad Asif, such a talented cricketer, got the wicket when it mattered.
Bowled in. First ball, Mohammad Asif strikes. Kevin Peterson, one of England's gun players, goes first ball.
Massive wicket. Mohammad Asif got Kevin Peterson out. First ball in the Oval Test match. First ball in the 2020 game. Nips back. Hits the middle stump out the ground. And Kevin Peterson lasted for one delivery. He's gone for naught. England 40 for 2.
Astonishing result for Mohammad Asif, and Marcus just got the unfortunate way to go. But
Bolden, beautiful delivery. An error in judgment, but Asif will take that. Now he's known to land the ball on the seam and getting to nip by the whip. And this is exactly what's happened. This is a corker. Early on, pitching just outside off and coming back to hit off stump. So the perfect start here for the Asian 11. Tall man hits the deck. Enough movement of the seam.
Wouldn't play at all. That will do nicely. What a class bit of bowling from Mohammad Asif. It's been a beautiful spell, moving the ball around in the air and off the pitch. And finally he gets his man, you might say the man actually.
और इस मरतबा बड़ी खूबसूरत गेंद मोहम्मद आसिफ की, जिस बात के लिए वो मशहूर हैं और जो जिक्र कर रहे थे गुलाम अली।
ये वो मंजर इस पढ़ने के बाद अंदर की जानिब आई, थोड़ा सा लेट हुए इस बॉल को खेलने में। और
63 for 3. Got him. Kept perhaps a bit low, but that's the end of Sachin Tendulkar.
They're in a hurry. On the seam, didn't do very much, did keep a little low. But maybe he should have been on the front foot. We'll just take a look when we come back. But Sachin Tendulkar.
That's it. Right through the gap. A better length. Batsman coming forward.
That's why he's so good against the left-handers. His track record is improving all the time when it comes to picking up the left-handers. This really was from the top draw.
Yeah, 8 for 2. Oh, Bolden with a brilliant delivery. He's done it again. Would you believe it? It's Mohammad Asif who knocks the middle stump over.
This kid is a special bowler. The way he's released the ball, it's nipped back again, and it's knocked him over again. Blacksman's got no idea how to play. Look how far that stump's back. It's nearly impaled Cameron Akmal. Pakistani's on top in Karachi.
Well, this is absolutely fantastic bowling. Not so much this delivery as the first one. That's what caused the worries. Got the ball to swing away, and then this one just held its line. Coming in as well a little bit. Sehwag just not up to the task. Terrific. Unbelievable beginning for Pakistan.
yes, crackerjack of a delivery from Mohammad Asif. 5 to him.
Yes, this is superb bowling. Just watch that seam up, and once again the ball nipping back and through the gate. A lovely delivery, and they needed that. Things were getting out of hand just a little bit. Back goes the off stump this time, and there's the reaction.
for Pakistan.
What a terrific delivery. This is exactly what we're talking about. He's bowling patiently, he's bowling within himself. Then it gets some movement off the seam. Take a look at this one. Off the seam. Oh, goodness me. That was an absolutely unplayable delivery. By the time the bat came down, it had darted in and struck the stumps. Clean him with a beauty. What a ball. Great stuff from Mohammad Asif. De Villiers, all at sea. Milsom knocked over. He can't believe it. Neither can we.
Gone straight through him. It's pitched up. It's just stuck back a touch.
Bowling! Full and straight through Guptill. I think he got an inside edge, but again the body didn't go anywhere. And Pakistan have two now.
This is not the first time Guptill gone in this fashion, because as Martin said, feet went nowhere. He was too far away, inside edge, dragged it back onto the stumps, and there we go. Another wicket. And I was expecting a big partnership, but that didn't happen.
Clean bowled him, what a delivery, beautifully bowled. Well, Sami has taken all three, or had taken all three. Now Mohammad Asif has nipped in. Clean bowling Michael Clarke.
Terrific delivery. Looks like it was going to swing away and it just nipped back off the seam. A little gate there between bat and pad for Michael Clarke, and